This is multiplying a polynomial by a polynomial. So it's similar to doing distributive property multiple times. It'll sometimes be called the FOIL method. Stands for first, outside, inside, last. So I'll show you how that works. Make sure you combine your like terms and write your answer in standard form. So what I like to think about this is it's like doing the distributive property multiple times. So I could rewrite this in this manner. 2x times x plus 5 plus 3 times x plus 5. Notice how I have the 2x and the 3? Because I have to multiply everything. So 2x times x is 2x squared. And when I look at the FOIL method, it says first. This is multiplying the first terms in both parentheses. Next, 2x times 5. So that's 10x. For the FOIL method, that's outside. Because the outside terms, the 2x and the 5, those are the ones that are on the outside. Then I have 3 times x. Just 3x. For the FOIL method, that's inside. Here's the inside 2, 3 times x. And then 3 times 5 is 15, and that's last, because you're multiplying the last two terms in parentheses. Okay, so these are binomials, because there's two terms in parentheses. You're multiplying them. Your rules are the same. When you're multiplying coefficients, you're adding exponents. You got to multiply this times both terms in that set of parentheses, and this times both terms in that set of parentheses. Now I need to check to see if I can combine anything. Do I have any like terms? And I do. Both of those have x to the first power. So 10x plus 3x is going to give me 13x. And then I have 15. It's in standard form. I've combined all my like terms. Okay, let's look at this one. This one's a little bit bigger. I'm going to show you a different way. Well, actually, let me just rewrite it first. So I have 6x plus 5. This is a binomial, two terms. Here's a trinomial, three terms, but notice how I write this. Don't be confused by subtraction. Put negative 3x, negative 5. So what I need to do is I need to multiply this times all three terms and the 5 times all three terms. So yes, this will be a big problem. It will take a while. So 6x times 2x squared plus negative 3x plus negative 5. And then 5 times 2x squared plus negative 3x plus negative 5. So both of these times the entire trinomial. So multiply those out. 12x to the third plus negative 18x squared plus negative 30x plus. So get in the habit of this. 10x squared negative 15x negative 25. So again, you're multiplying everything. You multiply coefficients, like 6 times 2 is 12. You're adding exponents. 1 plus 2 is 3. Now I need to check for like terms. Here I have x to the third power. I have nothing else that is x to the third power, so that's part of my answer. Next, I'm looking for x to the second power. I have a negative 18 and a positive 10. So that gives me negative 8, x to the second power. Now I'm looking for x. And that's negative 45. Negative 30 plus negative 15. The only thing I have left is negative 25. So now I've combined all of my like terms. And I've written my answer in standard form.